Hello there, in today's video I will talk about the Great Reset. I advise you to watch until the end of the video for a better understanding of what the Great Reset means. Let's start the video. The Great Reset proposes a radical overhaul of the global economic system, including the adoption of sustainable business practices, green energy, and a circular economy that reduces waste and encourages reuse and recycling. It also calls for greater investment in education, healthcare, and social welfare programs to reduce inequality and improve quality of life for all people. The Great Reset refers to a set of proposed economic and social policies aimed at addressing the challenges of the 21st century, including climate change, inequality, and technological disruption. The term was first introduced by the World Economic Forum (WEF) in May 2020 as a response to the COVID-19 pandemic, which has highlighted the need for global cooperation and systemic change. Critics of the Great Reset argue that it represents a form of globalist authoritarianism, with the potential to undermine individual rights and freedoms. Some have suggested that it is part of a larger conspiracy theory involving a supposed plot by a global elite to exert control over the world's population. However, supporters of the Great Reset maintain that it is a necessary response to the urgent challenges facing humanity, and that it offers a roadmap for creating a more sustainable, equitable, and prosperous world. The WEF has called on governments, businesses, and civil society to work together to implement the policies and initiatives proposed by the Great Reset in order to build a more resilient and inclusive global economy. Certainly, the Great Reset is a broad concept that encompasses a range of ideas and proposals for transforming the global economic and social system. Here are some key aspects of the Great Reset that you may find interesting. 1. Sustainable development. One of the central themes of the Great Reset is the need to transition to a more sustainable economic model that addresses climate change and other environmental challenges. This involves shifting away from fossil fuels and other unsustainable practices, and investing in renewable energy, sustainable agriculture, and other green technologies. 2. Digital transformation. The Great Reset also emphasizes the need for greater investment in digital technologies and infrastructure, including artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, and 5G networks. These technologies are seen as essential for driving innovation, improving productivity, and enabling greater connectivity and collaboration in the global economy. 3. Social welfare. Another key aspect of the Great Reset is the need to address inequality and improve social welfare programs around the world. This includes expanding access to healthcare, education, and basic income support, as well as investing in affordable housing, infrastructure, and other social services. 4. Global cooperation. The Great Reset emphasizes the importance of global cooperation and collaboration in addressing the complex challenges facing humanity. This involves working together across national borders and sectors to share knowledge, resources, and expertise, and to build a more resilient and inclusive global economy. 5. Stakeholder capitalism. The Great Reset calls for a shift away from shareholder capitalism, which prioritizes profits for a company's shareholders, towards stakeholder capitalism, which takes into account the interests of all stakeholders, including employees, customers, suppliers, and the wider community. This means that companies would need to adopt a more long-term perspective and consider the impact of their actions on society and the environment. 6. Reskilling and upskilling. As the economy transitions to a more sustainable and digital model, many workers will need to reskill or upskill in order to adapt to new job opportunities. The Great Reset proposes investing in education and training programs to help workers develop the skills they need to thrive in the new economy. 7. Circular economy. The Great Reset envisions a circular economy in which resources are kept in use for as long as possible, waste is minimized, and products are designed to be recycled or repurposed. This requires a fundamental shift in the way that we produce, consume, and dispose of goods, and would involve redesigning products, changing consumer behavior, and investing in waste management and recycling infrastructure. 8. Health and well-being. The COVID-19 pandemic has highlighted the importance of investing in public health and well-being. The Great Reset proposes a holistic approach to health that includes not only physical health, but also mental health, social connectedness, and environmental factors. 9. Political and social reforms. Finally, the Great Reset recognizes that achieving its goals will require political and social reforms, including greater transparency, accountability, and democratic participation. This involves addressing issues such as corruption, inequality, and human rights abuses, and building stronger institutions that can effectively respond to the needs and aspirations of people around the world. Overall, the Great Reset is a complex and ambitious vision for a more sustainable, equitable, and prosperous future. While there are many challenges and obstacles to achieving this vision, the Great Reset has already inspired a range of initiatives and collaborations around the world, and continues to generate important discussions and debates about the future of our global economy and society. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please give us a subscribe, like, share, and a comment down below. See you soon.